What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. Now, first off, this video was very hard for me to make. I've been involved with MCA for a very long time, and I almost didn't put this video out because I didn't know how I felt about this. And this is going to probably get, a lot of feedback. A lot of people are not going to like what I'm going to expose in this video. But as you keep watching this video, specifically towards the end, what I'm going to share with you is exactly the hard truth, the shocking truth to what you need to know if you're thinking about joining MCA Motor Club of America. Now, first off, why should you listen very closely to this entire video? Well, I've been promoting MCA for the last 2 years. I've been blessed to make thousands and thousands of dollars a month in MCA, and I'm going to share with you things that people just aren't sharing with you. Chances are if you found this video and you're watching it, you're not currently a part of MCA and you're thinking about joining. You probably got approached on Facebook. Maybe you saw a video of someone posting a video of flashing money, explaining this business, and you're smart enough to research, is this legitimate? Is this a scam? And how can how does it work? How can you make money with this? Well, all those questions will be answered as you keep watching. So what I urge you to do is remove distractions, okay? Focus in clearly on this video. You may want to get a pen and a pad of paper because I'm going to share with you again what you need to know, okay? So my intention in this video is, by the end of this video, you're going to know whether or not you want to go forward with this, okay? You're going to know whether or not you want to take action and whether or not this is the program you want to get started with. Now, with me and my experience, one of the first things you have to understand is, okay, is it legit? Is it legit, okay? Because that's the first question on people's mind, right? When they do their research, they hear they can make money online. They see the proof of the money and they feel excited, but they wonder, is it legit? I remember I used to work as a waiter, okay? Before I started going full-time from home, I was a waiter working at a place called Chili's, and I was working double shifts. I was struggling. I was mopping floors. I was grinding it out for low tips. And I saw the possibility to make money online, and my first reaction was, it seems too good to be true. Right? Here I was slaving away for hours, and I was seeing these young people younger than me, making thousands of dollars a week just sharing copy-paste ads online. And my first reaction was very angry. I was like, oh, this is a scam. This isn't real. But what I started realizing was that, to know and not to do is not to know, right? And sometimes, we don't know what we don't know. So it's not to be hard on yourself if you don't realize that in 2018, people are making money online. If you don't know that yet, you have to come to the point where you accept that, okay? You don't get angry, you don't get frustrated, you don't get, really closed-minded. You do your research. Now, I'm going to include a link below in this description to the Better Business Bureau, okay? Now, the Better Business Bureau, if you don't know, that's basically a company that their main job is to investigate the legit companies, okay? They show our company's legit. That's their sole job for decades to do, right? And if you go to bbb.org, it's the betterbusinessbureau.org, and you look up MCA Motor Club of America, you'll find that not only are they on there, not only have they been around for 40 plus years, but they actually have an A+ rating, okay? An A+ rating. That means that people, I'm going to grab my eraser. That means that people have not only joined MCA, but they've used the products and the services, and they've made money, and now they've rated it an A+, okay? So that most companies don't have an A+ rating. So that's the first thing. It's obviously legit, okay? Now the next thing is, what is MCA, right? Like, what is it? What the heck is MCA? You see it, you see people flashing money, you hear about roadside assistance. Like, what the heck is MCA? Well, to make it very simple, it's actually a company, okay, that was formed, and their main product that they promote to people, that they sell, just like if you were to go to a store and buy groceries, MCA sells roadside assistance, travel discounts, dental discounts. So when you get a membership for MCA, you're getting all those amazing benefits as a package, okay? So that's the next thing. That's what you're actually selling. Now, how do you make money with it? That's probably why you're watching this video very closely. Now, first off, I'm going to include a link directly below in the description. So at any time in this video, if you want to just check out more information, more proof on people making money, you can go ahead and click that link and check that out. But let me get into why, how people are making money with this, the shocking truth that really other sponsors out there are hiding from you. And really, I want to pull back the curtain and demystify a lot of these amazing, private secrets that people just aren't revealing, okay? So the next thing you have to understand is, how do you make money? Well, what I want you to do is imagine you go to a movie, okay? So let's say you watch a movie, and this is a theater, okay? These are the seats, and people are watching that movie in the theater, okay? Let's say that's a movie, if you can see that, all right? Now, what happens typically is, let's say you go to a movie in the theater, okay? One of the movies that I liked recently was the Avengers movie, right? I'm a big superhero nerd, okay? My favorite superhero is Spider-Man, by the way, but with great power comes great responsibility, right? And that's what I'm sharing with you. So basically, let's say you see an Avengers movie, or you see a movie that you love, and one of your friends didn't go. Well, what do you typically do? Typically, you probably text them, you call them, you send them a message on Facebook, and you say, hey man, hey girl, you gotta see this movie. This is the best movie I've ever seen. You have to see it. And they, chances are, will probably go see that movie, right? So what did you do? You referred someone to that movie, okay? Now, literally, that is all we do with MCA, with the services, okay? So like, let's say you click the link below, you get started, you start trying out the travel discounts, right? You go to hotels, you get, very small amount, or a very big amount off, but you pay a small amount to stay in those amazing hotels. Well, let's say you refer a friend, you call your friend, you call your family member, you say, hey, I just stayed at this amazing hotel, I got tons of discounts, you gotta check out this MCA program, it's absolutely incredible. And let's say they go and they buy MCA, just like they would buy a movie at the theater. Well, the difference between you recommending a movie is you don't make any money, right? You make zero, okay? You don't get any money. The thing with the MCA, the really cool, powerful thing as you keep watching this video is you get paid a whopping $80 every single time someone signs up for the $40 membership. Okay, so every time someone goes to the MCA website and signs up through your link that you get when you click the link below and get started today, you make a whopping $80. Okay, so how people are making money, they're simply referring people to MCA, and MCA is paying them every single Friday, direct deposit into their bank account, thousands of dollars. So for example, if you get 5 people in one day to sign up for MCA, which is very easy with the right strategies, which I'm going to cover how you can get over $297 worth of training as you keep watching this video, just because I really want you to succeed, my friend. But basically what you have to realize is that once you get like 5 people, that's $400 that you made in a single day. I remember working as a waiter, I barely made $50 a day, okay? So what you have to realize is that's the next thing. Now, how do you get people to sign up? That's the last thing I want to cover, okay? So how do you actually get people coming to your sign up link? If the goal is to get people to come to your sign up link, and the more people that go to that link over and over and over again and decide to buy, the people that pull out their credit card, they go to the order form and they make a purchase. The people that say, I'm gonna do it, that's it, period. I'm gonna take action, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna make my life change and I'm gonna get started with this. Now, how do you get people to it? Now, the way I personally recommend you start getting these people to your sign up form is with social media. Okay, social media. Now, why do I recommend social media? And I'm talking about sites like Facebook, sites like YouTube, sites like Twitter, sites like Instagram. The reason is virtually everyone has one nowadays, and it's the way you can reach endless new people. Because if you don't have new people going to your website, going to the sign up form, you're gonna run out of people and you're gonna run out of money coming in. A lot of people come to me every single day right before they make the decision to get started, and they say, Garrett, I'm ready to join you. Garrett, I've been seeing all the proof, I've been seeing all the success stories from your students. I'm ready to do this, but what if I don't know anyone? What if I have a very small amount of friends and family and they're not interested? And the thing about it is, the same way I attracted you to this video is the same way that you'll learn how to do it on Facebook, on Twitter. You'll attract people to you that don't yet know you, that are interested in joining, okay? And that's covered in our training. So that's why I recommend social media. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I wanted to share this because a lot of people have been asking me, after they joined, Garrett, I wish I would have known this before. I wish I would have known the hard, shocking truth that really other sponsors and so-called leaders out there just aren't revealing to the masses. So once you apply these dirty little secrets and this understanding that I've kind of pulled back the curtain and exposed to you in this kind of controversial video, I hope you understand and it helps you, my friends. So what I've done actually is included a link directly below this video. When you go to that link and you check out the training and the info, when you get started with that today, what you're going to get access to is over $297 worth of social media training. We get into things like Craigslist, we get into things like Twitter, we get into things like how to use Instagram to build a following on autopilot so you're targeting the right people that go to your sign up page like a well-greased slide, pull out their credit card and sign up so you can wake up to these big commissions every single day flooding into your bank account. Okay, so a lot of people, they charge for training, or their training is only focused on one site, and if you don't like that site, you're screwed. But when you get started today, I'm going to not only share with you exactly how my students have been making over $160. You know, one of my new students, John, just made over $200 the other day, just applying what you'll get access to for free when you get started today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'm here for you, my friend. Other than that, go to the link below and I'll see you over on the next page.